Rupert loves the summer. Summer is a time to enjoy the sunshine and warm weather, both of which help us to feel happy and healthy. Flying a kite, like Rupert likes to, is a great way to have fun in the summer. Rupert's adventures often involve flying, as you can see from the artworks in the exhibition. In this activity, we're going to make a fun kite decoration that you can put up at home. This is Murray, and he's going to show you how. Here's what you'll need to make your kite. Kite templates from the Rupert Party Box, some ribbon, and materials for decorating. First, it's time to design and decorate your kite. Find the 2 wooden templates and the 3 wooden bows. To decorate, you could use paint, felt tips, coloured paper or stickers. We're using red and yellow paint like Rupert's scarf and jumper. What do you think of when you think of summer? Maybe certain colours of places remind you of summer. You could bring these ideas into your design. When your design is finished, slot the 2 wooden templates together. Find your ribbon and cut it in half. With one half, loop your ribbon through the hoop at the top of your kite and tie a knot. This ribbon will let you hang your kite decoration from the ceiling. Use the other half of your ribbon to create the tail of the kite. Tie each wooden bow into the ribbon with a knot at an equal distance apart. And there you have it. Your summer kite is complete. Thank you for watching.